avec le grand Yann. It's 7 a.m. and it's time to fucking go. We're gonna hike. Oh no, we can't see shit. Wait. Right there. Right there. 3,600 meters. And we're off. After the health check, to registration. And we're off. We did registration. Wait, you're a bit dirty. There you go, that's better. Registration, Jan's, how do we say this? Tension is at 100, I'm at 120. He didn't seem to give a shit. So we're going there. Then we're both not really I'm not really in a hiking mood. I don't feel it. Do you feel it, Jan? Are you in a hiking mood, Jan?
I don't want to take a shit.
Yeah, Jan's been shitting all fucking night and day. So yeah, it's gonna be great. And there it is. There's Jan. This is so cute with a little thing. Yeah, it's all sexy. Et le mont quoi. With man.
Yeah.
Man. Supporters of all the little white ass shit tourists like us in flip flops with like easily 10 kilograms on the back. And Yann, début de la sueur, beginning of the sweat, still looking at us. Maybe a small cigarette for the break. But we ain't stopping. What's the height here, man?
Almost 1,000.
Okay, 1,000 off, 1,500 to go. Putain, j'arrive pas à croire qu'il nous reste 1,500 mètres, genre. Putain, c'est avec la douille. What time it is? 10:36. We're supposed to arrive at 3. And we have 1,500 meters. Putain, c'est la merde. Allez. Still at it, boy. My boy Yann. Commence à fatiguer un peu là. Alors il reste de la chemin. Beaucoup encore. Le mont. Et les nuages. How much time we stay here?
It's in 40 minutes or an hour.
We eat here? Okay.
After lunch
And then one more stop, or then all the way to the top?
it's just 2 more stops.
2 more stops.
POS III, and POS IV, and the Korea.
Okay, perfect. So we made it. You know what's the height here? 1,100? 1,100. 1,400 to go. Slightly sweaty. Yann. C'est Yann tranquillement. Si bien. Un grand luxe. Grand luxe avec le grand Yann. We're off. With Man. With Yann. Myself. Et là, ce qu'on a entendu dire, c'est qu'on va en chier les caisses, les enfants. Et là, c'est le début du bonheur en fait. On a le ventre éclaté. Et ça va être la folie. Voilà. Voilà. La grande bise. Uh, 1500 meters. Let's go!
Ça se passe bien et on est dans le nuage, comme tu peux le voir. C'est beau, c'est beau.
Super, merci Yann. On continue, pause 3, on ne la fait pas. On continue, c'est beau. Avec le Yann, là ça fait que monter. Du vrai bonheur. Avec Yann, qui est très agressif comme d'habitude. 2000 mètres.
Alors,
2000 mètres avec Yann, 2000 mètres.
on vient de monter 900 mètres en l'espace d'une heure. C'était des routes plutôt dures.
On a fait 900 mètres.
Mais on a réussi, on a doublé tout le monde parce que notre guide a compris qu'on...
Merci Yann. En tout cas, elle chope comme de la merde. Oula, faudra pas que je mette ça sur la vidéo. Elle s'est pas chopée. Et alors, je couperai, hein. We just left point 4, 2000 meters, 1 hour left to the base camp for tonight. Avec Yann, avec moi, avec Man, on est ensemble. 2260 meters, about 500 to go. And then we made it.
Ouais, en fait, t'as raison, il y a Nico. Parce qu'on n'était pas à 2000, putain.
Bah, il a dit qu'on était à 2200 aussi, on a fait 200 mètres, hein, on n'a pas fait plus.
Non, mais on a fait plus que 200 mètres là.
Je sais pas.
Si, là, on a
Bah,
fait
gros.
400 mètres.
Mais non, mais t'es malade, mec. Gros, une tour de 400 mètres, c'est haut, hein. Imagine juste la taille d'une tour de 400 mètres.
Ouais, mais là, ça fait encore combien?
We're in the woods. The woods, guys. It's a bit less steep. And it's nice. We're almost there. You can feel it. Allez, on y retourne, sans se faire mal. C'est beau. C'est brumeux, mais c'est beau. Et la pause des amateurs. Eh oui. Eh oui les enfants. C'est tellement bon quand t'as faim cette merde. Putain. Et on y est. First crater. First fucking crater. Where's the first fucking tent? But we're going to second crater. Because we always want more. We're a bit crazy. So, je suis avec Yann. Et nous l'avons fait. We made it, guys. 2,600 meters for our first stop. And my legs are dead. And we're gonna sleep here and eat here. And tomorrow we're gonna die even more. But then we'll be happy. Woo! Un petit peu de thé hein, pour se chauffer. Ça se dégage, regarde, on voit un peu plus. Hein. Genre, c'est pas top, mais ça se dégage un peu, on y croit, mec.
Hello. So this is Jan to the world. We just arrived and people were still arriving, as you'll see on the camera in a couple of seconds. We arrived around an hour ago. It's been a pretty difficult hike. This is Vincent. They made some great bananas with chocolate
Bananas
and cheese,
and cheese.
which is new, which was good, and chocolate.
Chocolate.
Really good. We've got great cooks, and they're in there actually. This thing.
It's very good. Can't wait to dig in.
40 a.m. It's time to climb. You can't see shit, unfortunately. But it's really nice. The stars are amazing. I can't see shit with a GoPro. I'll post some pictures and you see all the fucking mountains around us. Very fucking nice. We're gonna go. And yeah, he's wiping his ass.
Il est presque. Il reste genre 400 meters. You can see the town, you can't see shit. Anyways, une tueuse vue. C'est grâce à s'éclaircir. Oh shit. Look at this beauty! Rinjani, the campsite, we're almost there. In the valley, in the Mount Lagoon, and Baturan Valley right over there. It's crazy. And we're almost there. We're almost there, lads. Woo! 0.5 will be better. Almost there. With the Jan, who's in front, his stick.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Tombé! Ça va? Ça va? And our base camp right there. And our campsite with Jan that's inside, the cigarette because I'm unhealthy. And the Mont Rinjani that we just hiked. That was tiring as fuck. Isn't he? He's already outside with the shade is on. Leaving the campsite. Man, and the Mont Rinjani. In the forest view we didn't have yesterday. And Jan on the stairs and a stick. Allez, let's go. Let's not hurt ourselves. Oublié de quoi? Base camp up there, Jan right here, beautiful view on the valley, the trees, POS IV in clouds. Allez, on y est presque, almost there, almost fucking there. POS III. POS III, I'm dead. I can't hold this anymore. It's nice, clouds everywhere. Allez, almost there. Friends, and the man. And we're off! Point number 2. Now, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes left of trekking on easy roads, but let's not take it too easy. We arrived to POS I. Fuck yeah! Mountain under the clouds. Jan in front. We still have maybe 1 hour to go, and then we're set free. That was a fucking exhausting hike. I can't even know if we can really call this a hike, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. C'est ça? C'est bon. Super. Hello. Hello. We're off. We made it. That was a good trek. It was the hardest shit I've ever done in my life. But we made it. We did it.